What you doing?
What you doing is right. How are you?
Good. We're installing this.
Putting the bumpers on.
How's it coming?
Coming slowly but surely. Slowly but surely.
There used to be a little glue tape stain, which I removed with a little bit of paint thinner or enamel reducer very carefully. And now there is some overspray, which I tried to get off with a little enamel reducer on this vinyl. But instead, I'm gonna use my OCD with a razor blade and just pick at it. There we go. Minutes later, just about all of them are gone except this last one right there at the tip. That's what I'm dealing with. Bunch of little white specks. You gotta be super careful using just the tip. There we go. All gone. Clean. Ready to... He's grinding. The work that goes into repairing something that was once wrecked. Now that the dash is clean, all of the little overspray is off, I'm going to be coating the vehicle, the interior, with C-Quartz leather. Extreme stain and dye transfer resistant, as well as highly hydrophobic and UV proof. I've coated the dash. There's a little bit of a sheen to it right now. I've also done this steering wheel and these panels down here. Once again, C-Quartz leather, and the C-Quartz coatings are the best on the market. There is nothing that will protect better. How old is this dash? Is it original?
No.
What? How old is it? 20 years old. Oh, just about as old as me. And you see how it looks. It'll dry here shortly. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do the seat, and there's a passenger seat over there. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna work on these back panels right now. My suede CarPro. Where'd you go? CarPro applicator.
You know, you could actually coat the other seat.
Yeah.
And then when I do the center section, then we'll recoat that.
Alrighty. You just apply a few drops. Like so. Super strong. Protect against UV rays, stains, any fading. The best leather product on the market. You won't find something else better. So if everybody ever wonders when applying coatings why the price is so costly, not only does it take the longest, but products are the most expensive as well. Now that the panels are clean, no more dirt on it, I just wiped it off with water. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit before I then apply C-Quartz leather to it. But right now, I have C-Quartz fabric. And C-Quartz fabric is also water and stain resistant, super hydrophobic, and UV proof. This is a semi-permanent coating. Shake well, spray evenly across surface, work in the fabric with a sponge, spray again, even across surface for complete coverage. Let dry for 24 hours without water contact. Pretty simple. Yeah, this 16-ounce bottle you get at carprous.com. C-Quartz and CarPro are tied in together. C-Quartz is just all coatings, CarPro's liquids, if you will. I believe this is about $60. So it's, once again, CarPro and C-Quartz are the best stuff I use. That's what I've ever found as far as been detailing the past few years. Been trained by Wes Walls, owner of Elite Finish Detailing downtown San Diego. Everything's CarPro pretty much, and all C-Quartz coatings. Top notch. Here we go. Pretty straightforward. Oh, it smells. It's strong. When you get chemicals that are, you know they work when they smell super strong. Oh, forearm is killing me. Oh, veins are all coming out. Hey, more money. What's up, Bill? Dollar bill? Taking all the bills. Good to see you again. Yeah.
How you been?
Good.
You helping Pops? You supervising him today?
Yeah, I'm coating the car and getting all the interior done. In case any of you ever been inside a Snap-on truck, you can repair just about anything. And take about your whole wallet too. Yeah, Bill Decino, check him out. If you're in the San Diego area, you need any tools?
What's the phone number?
Bill's the man.
619?
Go for it.
619-981-4299.
Awesome. He's the man.
We got some free advertising. I like that.
Perfect. What are we getting today, boss?
We're checking this out.
And what's this do?
This is a denibber when you sand the paint. Going to show me how to use it. It comes with a few discs there.
You want Twizzlers?
No, 320.
I'm gonna get myself.
Is it a Snap-on Twizzler?
Yes, because it's a Snap-on box. So, okay. The panels are clean. I'm gonna get ready to grab another applicator, as well as the door handles. Handles, yeah, that's what you call it. I've already done one panel. This is the second panel. I haven't touched it yet. As you can see, everything's dry. There's no C-Quartz leather on it. I'm gonna put the leather on it and then show you exactly right after what it looks like. Here it is, the C-Quartz leather. You can see how shiny it is. Right now it looks like that, but it's gonna take about 3 days to fully cure. If I remember correctly off of CarPro's website. 3 days to fully cure. Can't be mad when the phone's ringing. That's money coming in, so. Let me grab this. There you go. 3 days to fully cure, 4 hours with no water, 10 minutes dry to touch. Better than new finish. And once again, I'm quoting exactly what CarPro's website says. Plastic vinyl, years of resistance, UV resistant, stain resistant, dye resistant, water resistant, super hydrophobic. This whole car is going to be nice. Now I'm going to do the door handles. These fancy door handles here. As you can see, this is before. Looks kind of dry. Yeah, there's no protectant on it. I'm going to put it on and show you right after. Freshly coated. You can see a little bit of shine. This is going to dry, and it's going to be a non-greasy, dry to touch finish and super soft. The coating is unlike, let's say, a dressing, not be dry to touch versus coating. If you think of like a clear coat, how that's dry, this is exactly how that works, and will last years versus dressings rub off. You get what you pay for. CarPro and C-Quartz. That's all I use. Is this the man, the myth, the legend?
No, it's half the legend.
Wow.
I didn't have all the proper tools.
Well, yeah, it looks like it did a shitty job there.
Yeah,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That's awesome. Amazing. Yeah. Wow. Let's look at this in the sun. As you can see, I'm not touching it. What do you think of this finish?
Yeah, I use Armor All too.
You sucker. This is C-Quartz, man. This ain't no BS Armor All.
Oh, that was well.
Yeah. I'll stay like that for years.
What I needed was a thinner wheel to get in here.
Yeah.
Because he's only got the fat guy. And then I had conical wheels to get in all this.
Yeah.
I mean, I did more wheels than ever wanted to imagine. I
Well.
thought about opening a shop at one time.
Yeah.
It's just a dirty, nasty job.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, everything that you do gets shiny, but you're just a dirty mess.
Yeah. All right, that's gonna wrap up my work
Session.
yeah, my little vlog today. Finished working on Dad's car. He's got the rear bumper extensions on, brand new taillights, brand new moldings,
Oh, they're still on the car.
brand new bumper guards because this got wrecked.
I was looking for it later in.
We got the Blue Angels making some noise over there. Porsche, nothing but Porsche here, right?
Here's my polished lug nuts.
Polished lug nuts. Oh, we're not done yet. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I gotta coat those too. Yeah, whole car is gonna be coated with C-Quartz. Just be repelling everything. All right, that's gonna wrap up everything today. I gotta go home, do some other work. Then I'll catch y'all later. You guys have a good one.